guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Savannah if you guys are new here. If not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be filming a 2020 gift guide slash what I'm asking for Christmas video. I've been seeing them float around YouTube a lot, and some of the items on my list are a little bit basic and then some aren't. So it's just kind of a general thing of what I personally like and what I think you guys would like. I know for me personally, my grandma and my parents have been asking me for my wish list. They usually do this every year. They start asking around October or November, and this year I actually did get my list done pretty early for them. So I just assumed since my family's asking that yours are probably asking as well, and also since I've been seeing these videos pop up on my recommended and stuff, I thought you guys would want to see this video from me as well. And also, if you hear any cars or any dogs barking, I'm filming kind of close to my window and it's kind of close to the street and my neighbor's house, so I'm really sorry if you hear any background. I'll try to put some music or whatever, but sorry if you hear that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and the first 8 items that I have on my list are all things that I personally asked for from my mom or my grandparents. I actually only asked for 4 things from each of them because I would rather actually get the 4 things that I really want or really like than to give them whole list and not get things that I actually really want or like, if you know what I mean. And I'll also put pictures in the corner so you guys can see what I'm talking about on some of the items. I don't know if I'll do it for all of them because there are 50, so it's kind of a lot. But the first thing I'm asking for are the Air Jordan 1 in just their plain white. These I've been seeing all over the internet and I think they go with so many outfits, so I really want them. The next thing I asked for is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High Bloodline, but I've also been seeing this picture and I think it looks super good, and I wear a lot of black and white, so I feel like the shoe would be a really nice add to my collection, and I can just add in a pop of red and not be such a plain black and white outfit, if you know what I mean. The third thing I asked for is the blisslights Skylight Laser Star Projector with the nebula cloud, LED nebula cloud, but I've been seeing this also a lot. I just really want the skylight because I think it looks super duper nice, and plus I also have the LEDs already in my room, so I think with the skylight and the LEDs at nighttime it will be just such a vibe. So I really want to get the skylight because I think it would just be really cool, and then also when I'm done with it, we could put it in my nephew's room or whatever, and I just think it would be really nice. The next thing I asked for was a fake Gucci belt, the GG one. I either want the black or the white one, but I just did fake because I don't really care to have the real one. It really doesn't bother me. My Louis back there is fake and I'm perfectly fine with it, so yeah, I really want that. And then I asked for the fake Neverfull Louis bag, and I want the dark checker with the red lining, and I actually asked my grandparents for this one, and my grandma said that she knows someone that might have a real one, so I possibly could be getting a real one that's just been used a little bit, but I don't know. I would be just fine with the fake, like I said about the belt. But yeah, I really like the Neverfull. I just think it's such a good throw everything bag, or even if you're not using it as a purse, you could use a spend the night bag. I don't know, I feel like it's just a really good universal bag, and it's also just really cute. Then I asked for the Air Force Ones in Rucker Park, and I think these shoes are super cute. I actually don't think I'm getting these because I don't think the Nike site has them in my size, but I think I am going to be getting a different Air Force One. But I did ask for the Rucker Park ones. They're just white and orange. And then next, you guys know I'm growing my hair out, and you guys always recommend me olaplex or olaplex, I don't know how to say it, but you guys always recommend that for me, and you guys have been telling me that Sephora actually came out with a holiday edition kit, and I asked for that because I was I really want to grow out my hair and I want to be realistic, and I will actually use that. So I asked for the Sephora holiday kit, and I feel like that's actually a really good gift idea if you're trying to repair damaged hair or anything like that. And then the last thing that I personally asked for is a Pandora bracelet, and I think I'll probably get a charm with it, but I didn't ask for charms. I just asked for the bracelet because I'm fine with just a bracelet. I just want to start a Pandora bracelet because I already have the James Avery charm bracelet, and I just really want to start a whole new one, and I really like the way the Pandora ones look as well, so I kind of want to get a Pandora one. And then now we're going to get into just the other ideas that I have for you guys that I think that you guys would probably like, or just ideas that I think are really nice. So the first one is a pretty obvious one. It's LED lights. These are super duper popular, and everyone's always asking me where I got mine from. I got mine from Amazon, and honestly any of the Amazon ones are good. You just look at the reviews and pick out which whenever you like. The next thing I said is a perfume. I specifically like the Daisy by Marc Jacobs. I actually asked Cameron for this one because I think that perfume smells so good, but you can ask for a really nice perfume, or you could just ask for Victoria's Secret or Bath & Body Works perfume sets or anything like that, but perfume for sure. The next thing you guys could ask for is an initial necklace. So I don't know if you've seen them, I'll put the picture right here, but it's basically like that, and then the letters kind of sideways. And I think they're just so cute, a really nice dainty jewelry piece. I'm gonna have the list of everything I put down below, but the next thing will be the Shop Page Jewelry. Shop Page Jewelry is a page that I found from the Mooney sisters, and their jewelry is so amazing. I actually had one of the things, the little clover necklace that I used to always wear. I actually broke it, but Cameron got it for me, and it's from Shop Page, and that was my favorite necklace for a really long time. I really want to get a lot of their golden pieces because I really like the way gold jewelry looks now, and I want to kind of convert to having more gold jewelry. But their jewelry is super good quality, and she has some really good pieces. prices. So definitely if you're into jewelry, shop page, check their page out and ask for some of their items. Next, I would say a mini purse. So those are really in style right now, like the little ones that just kind of hang right here. I think those are really, really cute, and you can ask for like a black one, a white one, or like a brown one, and those are pretty much your like 3 good basic colors that would go with a lot of outfits. Then I would say a James Avery charm bracelet. You guys are always asking me where my like charm bracelet is from, but it's from James Avery, and I've had my James Avery bracelet for like so many years, and me and my whole family, we all have one, like all the girls usually, because in Texas James Avery is really, really popular. It's like an artisan jewelry company, and they just sell the cutest jewelry, and their charm bracelets are so, so nice. Then if you're interested in like YouTube or just film or anything like that, I would say the Canon G7X is a good gift idea. I personally have the Canon G7X Mark II, and I really, really like it. It's what I'm filming on right now. But if you want to start a YouTube channel, I feel like this is such a good camera, and it's also like a good Christmas present because it is kind of like a good chunk of money. So if you really want something like that, it would be good to ask for Christmas. Then I would say some of the Ordinary skincare. I just recently got 2 of their serums and 1 of their like lotion things, but honestly the Ordinary skincare is super popular right now, and I know a lot of the serums are going to be going out of stock and stuff because everybody's really into them. So that would be such a good gift idea if you're into skincare. Then I wrote down a Roku. I personally, that's what I have for my TV, and it's basically just a device, and it has like all the different like TV apps on there, and you just sign into your account, and it's just really, really nice. It's basically like another like Apple TV thing or like Fire Stick thing, but it's called a Roku, and it's a little bit cheaper, and I really like mine. Then I wrote down a teeth whitening kit. I personally want to start whitening my teeth again. They don't like, I maybe don't look super yellow right here, but ew, sometimes they just look so bad. So I wrote down teeth whitening kit because I know that's something that I personally really like. And also you could ask for the Thera Breath like mouthwash minis. I know Maddie had like a set of like the Thera Breath mouthwashes, and I have the mild mint, and I hate the taste of it, but I will say it works so well. Like I usually use it at night because I hate morning breath, so I gargle and stuff, and then I go to sleep, and usually when I wake up I have like little to none morning breath because it's that good. So you could do that for like a teeth whitening kit, or like as like a stocking stuffer you could ask for like the Thera Breath mini mouthwash. That would be a really good stocking stuffer. Then I wrote down Crocs because of course you have to get Crocs or like ask for Crocs. I have 3 pairs now, and I like want so many more. I want all of the colors because I love Crocs. That's like all I wear, especially like on a day-to-day basis. If I'm just running to the store or doing anything, Crocs are like my go-to shoe. The next thing I wrote down is Doc Martens. I put either the white or the black ones. I personally really, really like the white ones, but I think honestly I'll just get for some off-brand ones. But I just like the style of that shoe, like the combat boot is really, really cute. So yeah, if you're into that type of thing and you're into that style, then Doc Martens, or you could even ask for like ones that look similar to them if you don't want to get the actual Doc Martens since they are a little bit expensive. Then I've been seeing this everywhere, like all of the college girls, like just seeing this everywhere, but white booties. I think they're so cute. I want a pair so bad, and I was actually gonna order some off of Amazon, but they're like $40, and I was like, I thought they would be way cheaper because they're just like super simple like white boots, and I think they're really, really nice. And then I put Nike socks. So if you're into like Air Forces or anything like that, the Nike socks like really dress up your fit, and I kind of want the long ones, or the like not super long but not like ankle socks, you know what I mean? I think the ones that like stick up a little bit would look really good with like low Air Forces, and then the longer ones would look really good with like high top Jordans or things like that. And then sweatpants, I have like one good decent like plain pair of them, and I want like all the plain, like I want black, gray, whatever color, because sweatpants are so in style. You could just throw on your Air Force Ones, your sweatpants, and like a cute crop top or like a cute little hoodie or whatever, and that's like such a cute outfit. And then recently I've personally really been into flannels, and I've also been seeing this like rise as a trend. But again, to have a simple outfit, just throw on a flannel, and that'd be a really nice like pop of color, or just like something to spice up a plain fit, like I've been saying so many times. But yeah, flannels are really nice, and they are cheap. You could go to the thrift store and just get some flannels. This item right here, okay, so I don't personally have one, but my friend Allison has one, and it is such a funny like fun thing to hang out, like if you're hanging out with your friends, it's just like such a good thing to add to like your car trip or like your music or whatever. But a car karaoke mic, I just, oh my god, I used my friend Allison's one, and it was so much fun. I don't think I have a video of it, but they're just so much fun, and they just like add like a little spice to like your drive, or like if you and your friends are hanging out, they're just a really cool like added touch. A next gift that you could ask for is a projector. If you guys don't want to have like a TV, or if you don't have a TV or whatever and you kind of want one, a good option to have, or like a really nice cool option, is a projector. So I think it would be really nice if I had a projector right here, but you just get the projector screen and then get a little projector, and you could play your TV that way. And if you're 16 or older and you have a car, you could ask for car LEDs. My sister actually had one in her last car, and she had them like under her seats, and they were just such a fun touch, like late at night or whatever, and you just have them going. It was really nice to like vibe to the music and also to have the like LEDs in your car. And then I've been seeing this item a lot, the Revlon hair dryer. I actually used to have one that was similar to it, but I got rid of it. But everybody's really been into the new hair dryer brush thing, the Revlon one, so you guys could ask for that as well. It just gives you a really easy, like, you can either do curls with it or like a really natural blowout if you don't know how to like do blowouts with like the brush and everything. And then I wrote down planner, and you might not think of this as like a really good gift, but with the new year, it's a really nice time to get a planner. And honestly, I've been using a planner ever since my senior year of high school, and I'm like addicted to it. Whether or not like I'm actually like using it on a day-to-day basis, I just like love the idea of like writing down everything that I need to do that week or whatever. So I personally love using my planner, and I feel like that would be a really good simple gift to ask for. Then leather pants have been really on trend right now. I really want like a black or like a brown pair. I think they're really cute, and they just add like a really nice touch to a different look. But I think leather pants are a really good idea right now. I've been seeing them everywhere. I'm sure you have too, but they look really, really nice. And then I know I need new of this, but bra and underwear, you go to Victoria's Secret or wherever you get your bra and underwear, but bras and underwear would be a really nice time to ask for, because those are like those tedious things that you just don't want to have to pay for yourself. But it's really nice to get like new ones every single year. Sorry for the sirens, oh my god. My neighbor's dogs are barking really loud right now, but I just cannot control them, so I'm really sorry. Just try to tune it out. Then I follow this page on Instagram, and it's called Boho Moon, but it's basically a jewelry company, and they have really, really nice necklaces, rings, and bracelets, like super cute on trend jewelry, and it's not like crazy expensive, and it's actually not a US brand either, so the prices are different. So yeah, their jewelry company is really cute, and they have really nice pieces. Then next I had to put a ear jewelry company. So Crystal Heaven Jewelry is a really, really nice like earring company. They have all the like different piercings options, really. Like they have like conch, rook, they have whatever. They have a lot of different jewelry items. They also just have like regular lobes, but it's really cute jewelry. It's not like your basic simple stuff that you're gonna find at like Forever 21 or H&M. Like it's really nice quality, good jewelry, and they're also not a US brand either, so that's really cool. Then I wrote down reworked clothing. I thought this was like a really good idea because I personally love the way reworked clothing looks like Adidas or Nike or whatever. I see it all over my Pinterest. I think it is so cute, but I think reworked clothing looks so nice, so I thought that was a really fun like different idea that I haven't heard of a lot. Then I wrote down like a regular just like watch. I think those look really, really nice if you don't want to wear bracelets or whatever. A nice like watch, and if you don't want to have an Apple Watch or you don't want an Apple Watch, a super dainty like gold or silver watch would look really nice with outfits. Then I wrote down a nail salon gift card. This would be such a good way to get like a free set of nails. Then I wrote down a bathtub tray. I've been seeing these everywhere. I think they're so nice, but basically it's just like a tray that goes over your bathtub, and you can put like candles or a drink, and you can put like your laptop and just like watch Netflix while you're in the bathtub soaking. I think this is such a good idea. I really want one, but I don't think it will fit in my bathtub because mine's like kind of connected to the wall. Then you can ask for any of the Ulta holiday kits. I went and looked at Ulta, and they have so many nice like hair kits, makeup kits. Like they have a lot of good kits on their Ulta site, so literally just go on Ulta's website and find any of the holiday kits. They're so nice this year. Then with online school and everything like that, I wrote down blue light glasses. I honestly need some so bad because I work on the internet and I also do all of my school on the internet, so I 100% need blue light glasses, but I don't have them. But I thought it would be such a nice idea. Then you could ask for Lululemon or Lululemon dupes. I'm more on the dupe side because that's a little bit expensive. I actually do have some Lululemon, but it doesn't even like fit me anymore because I got it too small. But I know Amazon has some really good dupes, like their tank top dupes or their legging dupes, but honestly you could ask for that and then have like a really nice like workout set, but dupe version, so cheaper. And then also if you work from home or do anything, a really nice gift would be a laptop desk. So those are the ones that's like a kind of like a pillow underneath and then like a desk on top, and you just sit it over your lap, and you can lay in your bed or sit on the couch or whatever and have like your laptop raised so it's not just on your lap. I really, really want one of those because I think it would come in handy with like editing and homework and stuff, like on the days that I don't feel like getting out of my bed or whatever. But a laptop desk is like, I really want one. I actually just got one of these, but a shoe rack. I think that'd be such a nice touch to free up some space in your closet. If you have your shoes like all over your closet or on your door, if you have room for it, a shoe rack is a really nice touch. Or you could even get like a clothing rack and display like clothes in your room or stuff like that. This gift is kind of funny, but it's honestly really practical for me personally. But a mini vacuum. I just honestly don't like going back and forth in my house to get like the vacuum to clean up Obi's poop that she poops everywhere. But I think a mini vacuum would actually be really nice. So you could like vacuum your your room, or if you have a car, you could use a mini vacuum to vacuum your car and not have to like go to the car washes or whatever if you just need like a quick little vacuum thing or whatever. But I think a mini vacuum would actually be really nice. I personally really want one. I asked Cameron for one, but we'll see if I get it. Then you could also ask for a full body mirror. I personally got mine off of Craigslist and it was like $20, and it's actually really big. It's really nice. So yeah, you could always ask for a full length mirror, or you could just get the ones from Walmart, whatever. But it's just really nice to have in your room if you don't have one. So if you want one, you could ask for a full body mirror. Then you could also ask for an essential oil diffuser. I think those are really nice. I used to have one, but I actually got rid of it because I didn't clean it. But if you're gonna clean it and you're actually gonna like use it, I definitely think those are really nice. You can always use like ones if you have like sinus problems, or if you just have a lot of anxiety or stress. They also have oils for that. Then of course I had to put this one down because I'm growing my hair out, but I said hair vitamins. There's honestly some really nice expensive ones out there that would really help, but honestly, who wants to pay for that? So I feel like that'd be a good gift to ask for Christmas if you want to get your hair growth journey on or whatever you want to do. This gift is kind of funny, kind of cool, kind of weird, but it's the natural superfood foot peel off mask. I saw this on TikTok the other day, and literally it's like a mask, and then like over the next few days your feet like shed like so bad. Her foot came out so smooth afterwards that she used it. So I think that would be a really cool gift just to try out, but you definitely have to be like ready for like all the skin to come off, so don't do it when you have like a lot of stuff to do. Then I wrote down Apple Watch. I know a lot of people don't really find the necessity in them, but I personally really love mine, and I don't know, I really like mine. I think it is a good gift. It's not like as useful as you would think it is, but personally I'm going into nursing, so I'm gonna use mine 100% for when I'm in nursing school and things like that. But yeah, I personally really like my Apple Watch, so if you wanted one, this would be a good time to ask for one. Then of course I had to put this gift, but either a piercing or a tattoo gift. A lot of tattoo shops will actually like give you gift certificates, and like your parents can go in, how much would a certain piercing be, or how much would like your average piercing be, and then you could get a gift certificate and then go back and use that, so you don't have to like pay for it flat out on your own. And then the last thing I wrote down is pretty like simple and basic. I usually ask for this every single year. I actually ask for like 4 things and then plus this, but I would just say gift cards to any of your favorite stores, or if you don't want to ask for gift cards, you could just always ask for money. We usually always get at least some sort of gift card or some sort of cash for Christmas in our stockings. That's just usually what my family does. So that's the end of this video. I hope I was able to give you some really nice gift ideas. I'm so sorry for the dogs barking this whole time. I know it was probably really annoying, and it's really annoying me right now, but what can you do? Anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and do not forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified. I know sometimes YouTube is weird about it, but you just might want to do it in case if you don't want to miss out on my videos. But yeah, with that all being said, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!